This is the Somatic Robot, a bathroom cleaning robot that can open doors on its own and clean toilets. This robot can do the dirty work for you, literally. Let me show you how it works. The Somatic Robot is a kind of box with 4 wheels that has a robotic arm that vacuums and cleans the floor. It also has other smaller dispensers for pouring pressurized water, detergents, and other substances onto the surfaces to be cleaned. It operates completely autonomously once the bathroom to be cleaned has been identified. The robot uses a no-touch, 3-step system to clean all bathroom surfaces with a high degree of efficiency. First, it sprays disinfectant on the toilet, sink, faucet, and other fixtures. Second, it uses a high-pressure water jet to rinse off the dirt and germs. Third, it dries the surfaces with a hot air blower. The robot can navigate through elevators, find bathrooms with ease, and perform regular cleaning tasks, including mopping, disinfecting, and vacuuming. Unless it can't, then it simply sends a picture of the uncommon mess to the supervisor responsible and gets help from a human janitor. The robot is equipped with sensors and cameras that allow it to map the building and avoid obstacles. It also has a door handle gripper that enables it to open and close doors without human assistance. The robot is offered as a monthly service by Somatic, a company based in New York. The company claims that the robot can save up to 50% of the cost of hiring a human janitor and provide higher quality cleaning. The robot also reduces the risk of spreading infections and diseases in public restrooms. The robot is currently being used by some medical facilities, office buildings, and hotels in the U.S. Somatic plans to expand its service to other countries and industries in the future. So, what do you think of the Somatic Robot? Would you like to have one in your home or workplace? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.